Welcome to this tutorial on how to short a stock using Robinhood. Shorting a stock is a strategy used by investors to profit from a decline in the price of a stock. It involves selling a stock you do not own with the expectation of buying it back later at a lower price to realize a profit. To begin, you need to understand the concept of short selling. When you short a stock, you are essentially borrowing shares from another investor and selling them at the current market price. Your goal is to buy back the same shares at a lower price and return them to the lender, pocketing the difference as profit. To short a stock on Robinhood, you need to have a margin account. This type of account allows you to borrow money from the brokerage firm to purchase securities. Not all Robinhood accounts are eligible for margin trading, so you may need to upgrade your account. Once you have a margin account, you can start the short selling process. First, you need to find a stock you want to short. Research and analysis are crucial in identifying a stock that is likely to decline in value. Look for stocks with poor financial performance, declining industry trends, or other negative factors that could impact their price. After selecting a stock, you need to check if it is available to short on Robinhood. Not all stocks can be shorted, and some may have restrictions or high fees. You can check the availability of a stock for shorting by searching for the stock on Robinhood and looking for the shorting option. If the stock is available for shorting, you can proceed to place a sell order. You will need to specify the number of shares you want to short and the price at which you want to sell. Keep in mind that short selling involves risk, and you could lose more than your initial investment if the stock price rises instead of falls. It is essential to set a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses. A stop-loss order automatically closes your short position if the stock price reaches a certain level, helping you avoid significant losses. After you have shorted a stock, you need to monitor its price closely. If the price falls, you can buy back the shares at the lower price and realize a profit. However, if the price rises, you may need to close your short position to avoid further losses. In conclusion, shorting a stock on Robinhood requires a margin account, research, and careful analysis. It involves risk, but it can be a profitable strategy if done correctly. Always set a stop-loss order and monitor the stock price closely to minimize your losses. By following these steps and best practices, you can use short selling as a tool to diversify your investment portfolio and profit from declining stock prices.